guys, what's up? It's Claire and I'm back with another video. Today I am here bringing you a haul of all of my favorite items I've ever bought from AliExpress. Websites like AliExpress and Romway and Shein and Wish. I don't think that these websites are necessarily scams. I just think that some people don't know the right way to use them. As long as you are using filters in your search on AliExpress to make sure you're searching for the products that have been purchased the most, there's almost always going to be a ton of reviews on those products. Read the reviews, look at the pictures that everybody takes, try and find someone with a similar body type to you, and look at what sizes they're getting. Even if the sellers can be helpful, sometimes there's like stuff gets lost in translation, and I just haven't had good luck with talking to sellers, even if they are trying to be really helpful. You can filter the reviews by people in your country so that they're going to be used to the sizing that you're used to. I have had a ton of luck using AliExpress in the past, and I still continue to use it all the time. I've saved so much money by buying clothes and accessories on this website. If you don't know what AliExpress is, it's kind of like Amazon, but it's everything ships from China, so it takes almost a month, if not more sometimes, to arrive to you. So as long as you're not in a hurry to get anything, it can be a really good deal. Almost everything is free shipping. And yeah, this video is not sponsored or anything. I just really love AliExpress. Honestly, I found so many good products on there that I use and love. This kind of just fits in with my theme of thrifty videos, I guess. So I'm going to be showing you guys some tops and some accessories that I've gotten from AliExpress that are my absolute favorites. If you want to see another video down the road on like camera gear I've bought from AliExpress, I have bought a lot of dupes from this website for really cheap. I can definitely do those videos. Just make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know that you want to see those. Let's get right into it. I have all the clothes right here, so I should probably bring them closer. Okay, this is not in any particular order. All of these items I love and wear all the time and use all the time, so I'm just going to be showing you guys like whatever comes first. The first things that I want to talk about are these tube tops. I have wanted some of these like cute, trendy tube tops forever. Every time I go to Forever 21 or H&M looking for them, they're like $15, literally just a piece of fabric. I went on AliExpress and just searched tube top, and up came these awesome little shirts. They don't have any padding in them or anything. It's literally just fabric. They're really stretchy. They're not that thick. I prefer to wear them with like a strapless bra underneath. The white one is a little bit see-through, so like I would definitely for sure wear a bra with that one. For what they are, these were like $2 or $3 each. Should not be like $10 for a tube top, in my opinion, because anytime I am trying to do like really simple fresh face pictures for a model, I try and ask them to wear like either a really sleek black bodysuit or a black tube top. So those are definitely go-tos if you're like wanting to do some sort of like basic photo shoot. I definitely recommend those. The next thing that I have here, cropped tank top things. It's kind of like, it's not really a halter because it doesn't really like it doesn't go around the neck so much as just being a normal tank top, but it's like a high neck sort of like tank shirt. One thing that you often find from AliExpress is that the fabric is not always the greatest, and this tank is one of the few that I have found that is like thick enough that I definitely don't need to wear a bra with. The next thing that I have is one of my favorites. I went to Forever 21 to get one of these off the shoulder tops, and I got one in white. It was a decent shirt. I think I got it for about like $13 or $14, and I go on AliExpress later that day and I find the same exact shirt for $6. So I decided to buy it in another color so that I could have another color, and I got this one, and honestly guys, I like it better than the Forever 21. The hemline is really thick at the top, like it goes down like a solid inch, and so that's really nice. It's not like one of those thin elastic ones that's like cutting into your shoulders. I love wearing this to like a night out. I've worn it on a date before. I've worn it to like events. It's very versatile. You can also just like, I think I wear it to work. Like there's literally, and like these shirts are so handy. So the next thing that I have here, velvety green tank top, crop top thing with these really tiny thin spaghetti straps for $3.50. $3.50 for this. It's so cute. Like anything high-waisted it looks really cute with. It has like another layer of fabric on the inside right where you would normally wear a bra, so it like doesn't show anything. This is like really hard to show you guys because of all the like straps everywhere. Just a piece of fabric on the front, and the back is like an open back that has all these like lace up thingies. And it's really funny because I didn't even know this was a Brandy Melville shirt knockoff thing until I looked at the tag, and it says Brandy Merviller on the tag, which I thought was super funny. I haven't quite figured out how to wear this like with a bra or without a bra. Like it is an open back, so it's obviously not supposed to be worn with a bra. So like maybe I should just be bold and just like not wear one, but I feel weird about that. Now on to accessories. So I have quite a few. Hold on. The number one thing that I will probably not ever buy full price ever again from a normal store is phone cases. You just search marble phone case and these are like the first thing that come up. They're really, really nice and actually really protective. These were, I think, $1. Pop sockets from like a separate seller on AliExpress, and those were like maybe 70 cents. So all in all, every phone case I've got for the past like 5 years has not been over $2. Not so flimsy that they like don't protect at all, but they're not like hard cases that are impossible to get off. Okay, I have so much jewelry from them, so I'm kind of cutting down on what I'm showing you guys in this video. This is a necklace that I wear almost every day. This was, I think, 30 cents, and it hasn't tarnished that much. It obviously like is not real gold, so it definitely will tarnish, but I've worn it every day for like a few months. Most important item in this entire video, this fedora. This fedora is actually the nicest hat I've probably ever owned, and I spent a grand total of $7 on it. A felt hat, so really nice quality. $7, oh my gosh, like these things run for over 50, 60 sometimes from like Brixton or other hat stores, and honestly maybe a hat dealer would know more about why these ones are not as nice, but I think they're great and really cute. I have found all these little minimal stacking rings, wear them all together. Usually wear some of them as a normal ring, and then I bought some smaller sizes to just wear as like midi rings. You can see there's really no tarnishing on these at all. One of them I got before the other three, this one, and it's a little bit gold now. I bought them all in rose gold. Those rings I think were about 50 cents each. A pack of rings at like Claire's or Icing or something, they're always like $15. It's like, why putting my money down the garbage disposal? I have a lot of these little fake septum piercings. They are like quite a statement, so I don't wear them hardly at all, but they're just fun to have, and these were about $1 each. You literally just like put them on and they stay pretty well. But yeah, they can be a little like weird to get used to. I think they look kind of weird with my face shape. They're a little bit like big. I just ordered some more minimal ones online, so we will see if they look good, but not for like a month or so. One of my staple pieces that I wear all the time, these normal traditional nose rings. I don't have my nose pierced. I have just been wearing fake ones, and I wear them often enough that people actually think they're real. They stay in really well too, and they have like a lot of different colors. So right now I'm just wearing a rose gold one. That's like my favorite one that I wear all the time. This thing has not tarnished at all. Like it is so good quality, good metal. I don't know what it is exactly. I think I paid like $1.50 for this. And the last thing that I like purchasing from AliExpress because it's cheaper is little temporary tattoos. I think they can be really fun, especially for like music festivals or concerts. It's really fun to throw these on. They're kind of just like flash tattoos, those like gold ones that girls used to wear like to be Tumblr back in like 2013. And they have a huge variety of different ones, and I think this was like 10 cents. I guess potentially you could buy like 50 of these for like $5 and then just like put one on every day in the morning wherever you want to put it, and people might actually think you had a tattoo. Alright guys, so that is it for this AliExpress haul. I hope you liked this video. I would love to do more AliExpress videos on dupes I found or camera gear I found. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, if you want to see more videos like it about thrifting or about AliExpress or cheap websites for clothing. Just let me know in the comments if you have other ideas for thrifty videos you'd like me to make. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and happy thrifting. Bye.
I was hanging with you, and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.